Does your engine feel sluggish, like it is lagging a second behind your foot? Or maybe it sounds a bit like a diesel, even though it is a gas engine. A P000C code indicates a camshaft position slow response on bank 2. Modern engines use variable valve timing, or VVT, to adjust when the valves open and close to give you power when you need it and fuel economy when you are cruising. This system runs on oil pressure. The computer tells the solenoid to open, oil rushes in, and it pushes a phaser to rotate the camshaft. This code means the computer told the camshaft on bank 2, that is the side opposite cylinder number 1, to move, but it took too long to get there. It's like telling a runner to sprint and they start walking first. Here is the absolute first thing you must do. Check your oil. I cannot stress this enough. Since the system uses oil pressure to move physical metal parts, if your oil is low, dirty, or the wrong viscosity, the system cannot build enough pressure to move the cam fast enough. Dirty oil is a killer here because it clogs the tiny screens on the oil control valve. If your oil is fresh and full, the next suspect is that oil control valve or solenoid itself. They can get sticky over time. You can often pull it out, hook it up to a battery, and see if it clicks and moves freely. If it is stuck or sluggish, replace it. If the oil is good and the solenoid works, you might be looking at a failing cam phaser or a stretched timing chain, which is a much bigger job. But 9 times out of 10, start with the oil and the solenoid. That is usually where the problem lives.